Under the menu item Groups, you get an overview of your groups of mappings and how to manage them. In the middle of the page you will see category filters that allow you to filter your groups for easier retrieval, as well as a search field below where you can search for specific groups. Below these you will find a list of all your created groups, organized by group category, where the most important details for each user group are also displayed. Here you can also directly view the report for mappings in the group if you have created a report in the report builder. There is a separate video guide for this. In the upper right corner of the page you will find the buttons New Group Category and New Group, which allow you to create both new categories and new groups. Let's start by creating a new overarching group category to contain specific user groups. It's not necessary to create a category, but if you have multiple groups, it can be a good way to keep them organized. Examples of these could be creating a category for a larger department or a specific location within your organization. When you click the New Group Category button, a window will open where you need to enter a name for your new category. You can also add an optional description. Finish by clicking the Create Group Category button to create the category. After a category has been created, however, you can only access and edit its title and description after you have created or assigned a group to the category. When you need to create a new group for specific mappings, click on New Group. A dialog box will now appear where you can select your new group category from the list. By default, a pin code for the group is already pre-filled, which restricts mappings in this group to respondents who enter the pin code when they start a survey. To the right, you can see if the group is open for new mappings, or you can close it so that respondents are not added to this group when they take a survey. Existing mappings will be saved, but new mappings will not be added to the group. Below you fill in a group title and an internal description. For example, if your group category covered an entire department in your organization, this is where you select the specific team or group within that department from which you want grouped responses. Finally, click the Create Group button to create your new group. On the Edit page for an existing user group, you can also edit the group as needed. Below, however, you will find the direct link to the associated questionnaire that you share with respondents outside MapUs. Below, you can search for existing mappings associated with the group and access advanced settings for the group, such as adding welcome messages when respondents access your survey, or adding a message that is displayed after the respondent has completed the survey and receives a confirmation email. This, however, requires a survey that has a section asking for respondents' email addresses. Once you have created groups, and possibly categories for the groups, you then use the questionnaire link found in each group and send it to your respondents. They will then complete the survey, and the results will come in as mappings. We will look at mappings in the next video.